Okay, we're going to do a brief unboxing for the EMS muscle stimulator. So this is what I got, and it comes with the fat burning instruction manual. This is for your abs. And hopefully it will look like that. I'll look like that. These are for your arms. These are the controllers. And these are the sticky pads. Take one. These are the sticky pads that come along with them to be able to apply these to the vibrators. EMS Abs Stimulator.